Okay, so yesterday we went over a little of these slides, and so what I want to point out today is the fact that under Unit 2, right here, okay, under Unit 2, you will see there is a link called Class Lectures. Class Lectures. So Francisco, listen to this, okay? So Class Lecture, you click here, and that is yesterday's lecture. So if you're an English learner, you can always turn this in later, so put this in Spanish captions. Also, if you're not here, anybody not here yesterday? Who's not here? Okay, so then this would be something you may want to watch. I'll be recording today's session, so my strong advice to those who were not here yesterday is to watch this video, okay? There's headphones in the back. And if you're absent, it would be it wouldn't be a bad idea to kind of watch these videos at night, if possible. And so I'm not saying do, but just watch, and so you get an idea, because the next day you're going to have to do this and turn this in. So for those who are not here yesterday, the videos are always going to be under Class Lectures. Now I'm working on a new website for myself, and I'm going to have everything kind of nicely ordered and arranged. Hopefully that'll be launched next week. And it'll make things a little easier. There'll be a short video, there'll be a long video. The long videos are class videos. So these are the long videos, okay? But it's only 19 minutes. I mean, I kind of really trimmed things down a bit. So at any rate, it's here. So again, those who are not here yesterday, if you don't have headphones, there's headphones right here, okay? Alrighty, so any questions on that? Okay, so we are recording as we speak. What I'd like you to do is go ahead and click on U2L1, U2L1CW. Okay. Brian, please do so. Thank you. Don't forget, guys, I'm looking over everybody's shoulder. I see all your screens. Okay, so. All right, so, and then what I'd like you to do is please kindly open up the Google Slides. And yesterday we had a little problem with some people not able to save things on the cloud. And, we can always Google why, okay? Why can't I save on Adobe Creative Cloud? It says do a system reboot. Well, I don't want to do that right now. Okay, at any rate, we are at here, okay? So again, you should have had a homepage. You should have the video tutorials, the learned link. Then we went over your files. This is where we kind of ran into some problems about saving this in Photoshop. And then of course now we're going to do shared link, okay? That's the next one over. So if you open this up, shared with you is here. So what I'd like for you to do, if at all possible, is to go ahead and import. If you click on your files, if you have something there, click there. Okay, so click on that and it'll appear, right? And this little thing here, I don't know why it goes right in front. I don't particularly care for that. So maybe I should you can always hide bar. You see that? Or maybe we can just put it up here somewhere. I don't know. I've never had to deal with this. Anyways, I'm just going to move this up. All right, and then you have this scenario here. You should have had several layers. If you look at the layers palette, okay, so we have this image over here. So now let's go back into the home. If you don't have an image, then please go ahead and go to the exercise files and import an image. Okay. All right. So, where do we go? Everybody good? I see some people don't have images. Okay, who needs help? Okay. 1 second, I'll be right over there. All right, so what I'd like you to do now is, if you click on, since you open this, okay, click on the home button right there. Okay, and you click on shared with you. Okay, so you notice that there should be nothing here. However, let me show you. You guys should have received an email from me. Okay, so now to go back to the workspace, you click on this Photoshop here. Okay, and now on the upper right, you should see share. Okay, you should see the share button. And if I click here, okay, it'll ask me, it'll say the link name. Anyone with the link can comment. Okay, that's fine, but you have a choice, only invited people, whatever the case may be. However, here it says create a link. Now, what I'd like for you to do really quickly, and we're going to take about 2 to 3 minutes, for those who were not here yesterday, okay, get ready to follow along. Okay, if you missed installing software, Photoshop, follow along. Okay, so I'm going to give 2 minutes and then I got to move forward. All right, these are the links, and notice it says copy right here. What I'd like for you to do, okay, don't copy, because I had sent you guys an email. You should have gotten an email. It's called shared link. Okay, and I already shared it, and I copied this link and I sent it to everybody. So please open up your Gmail, take a screenshot of that, and put it on the next slide down. Okay. Okay, so the next one, like I said before, we did Lightroom. Okay, and the reason why we want to do Lightroom is because if you're into photography, this is a very quick way. Okay, so I'm going to click on this one. This is a road to Utah, and as you can see, I can actually control. There's some controls over here that could kind of change the scenery. Okay, that's really. And for those of you who don't know what these are, okay, I don't think I can get it back to the original, but at any rate, yeah, it's kind of long gone. At any rate, so Lightroom, all it does lets you enhance, and it helps you kind of like manipulate images. Okay, without the use of Photoshop, and it's a quicker way. But however, we are going to be learning Photoshop and have very little to do with Lightroom. You could download Lightroom if you'd like. Okay, it's inside the Adobe Cloud. So if you guys could, if you guys want it, you can also download the Creative Cloud app, which is right here. But Lightroom is right here. But you don't have to, and do it in your own time, not right now. So anyways, that's basically Lightroom. It does. So there's nothing really to screen capture because we're not going to pay attention to it. All right, the next one. We only got 2 more slides left. Okay, so if I was to click on Photoshop, the next one is going to be deleted. So in order to delete, let's go to your files. Okay. Let's go to your files. Now you all should have something in here. Let's go ahead and click on PS5. I'm sorry, P5. PS5, sorry. P5 right here. Click there. You should have something here. Let's go back to the home. Let's go back to the home page. I know we're going back and forth. And to delete something, what happens is the cloud saves all your deleted files, just like Google Drive. It saves your deleted files. So if you click on deleted, okay, you'll see that I've already deleted a few things. Click on your files, and down on the lower right, you should see 3 dots. Click on the 3 dots, and you should see delete. Now, here's the issue. I can't delete it. How many here can delete it? Nobody. Why? Let's go back to P5. The PS photo, the logo, and make sure you have this X mark. You got to make sure that the workspace does not have an open image. So click on this X right here. Okay, get rid of it. Now try to delete it. So go to your files, go to the 3 dots, click on delete, and now it's gone. Now go ahead and click on the delete link. Now this is what I want you to screenshot. Okay, so screenshot this one, please. If you don't have anything in your files, go ahead and take a screen capture of the empty canvas and just write on note saying cannot save on the cloud. Okay? All right. So we got a couple of slides that I want more to do, so there's only going to be a total of 8 slides, so let's kind of finish it up. If you go to back to the home page, okay, so click on home, and you notice there's new file and there's open, okay? So tonight's homework, when you watch and listen to that video, is going to pertain to this link right here. So if you click on new file, you're going to see this. This is what I want you to screen capture. Please screen capture this one and put it in the next slide, please. Okay. Make sure you put all the files that you capture into the U1 or the U2's L1 folder, please. Okay, there it is right there. You may rename it new file. Okay. So I'm going to bring this into my downloads. Okay, go into intro. Go here. All right, so there it is right there, and put that in there. So we're going to, right here, type in new file. And I'm just going to ask you to type in the following. Sets canvas size. That's critically important. Tonight's, if you watch the video, please know it is really important stuff that you need to watch so you can get that. Okay? Okay? Because a canvas is where everything happens. It's where the artwork happens, okay? Some of you may think of a canvas as sort of like a Bob Ross art, you know, where he just draws on a canvas. But a canvas can also be a dinner plate. It can also be a car. It can be a billboard. It could be a human body. Okay, so wherever art goes, that's the canvas. Okay, final thing. Let's go ahead and click out of here. Is open. File open. Notice that you've got. It'll probably open up here. It'll say open from Creative Cloud. Screenshot this one, please. Move it into your folder. And rename it open_cloud. Oops, I spelled it wrong. Okay. And then drag that into the next slide. Okay. And then on the title, type in open in cloud. Anybody need me to go over again? Okay. Which part? The open in the cloud? Okay. All right, so what we're going to do is go into Photoshop, okay? Click on open right here. Or open. Did you need me to go over new file too? Yes, no? No? Okay, click on open and you'll see this little dialog box that opens up. Screen capture that one. Okay. Huh? Okay, hold on. So does it give you an option open cloud? Oh, you know something? Hold on, let me see. Just one more. Okay. And then we're done. Okay. And then you turn this in. Okay, so click on your computer. Click on your computer. And then this is the Finder. Screenshot this one. Put it inside that folder and bring it in. Call it Open Computer. Okay. And bring it in. And on the title, Open file, computer. That means your Finder, okay? Anybody need me to go through that again? Okay. So go to Photoshop. So what you're doing is if you click on open, down here you'll see on your computer. Click on open on your computer. Okay, so now take a screenshot of that. All right, and then once you're done, please turn it in for grading. And that's the class. So just remember tomorrow, please, you got 6 minutes left, so I'm here to help anybody if they need to. Okay, anybody else? Huh? What do we need? Oh, just, I put down, I put down open computer. Okay. And that's all she wrote.